Dear friends, today's topic is how to set profile video in Telegram. Actually, in the case of WhatsApp, we can set only profile photo. Here in the case of Telegram, we can set profile video. Right? So let us see how to set the profile video. Just go to Telegram. Now I'm going to this profile. Okay, Telegram profile. Then I'm just setting the profile photo, profile video for this. Click on to the top left corner where I have already set a profile photo. So I will replace this profile photo by profile video. Just click on to it. Then click these three dots. Now set new photo. Click it. Now I have some video here. So let me click on to that video. So this is the video. I will be setting this profile video and replace it with replace this profile photo with profile video. Just put tick mark. Okay. It is processing. So it has been set. Okay. So whenever some person watches your profile in Telegram, they could able to see this video. Okay. So wonderful, excellent feature as when compared to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp we cannot set profile video. We can set only profile photo. So that is why Telegram is ahead these days, because of its very good, excellent features. Right? Telegram is feature rich. Just let us see. Set the profile. Okay. So let me see in my, just wait. Okay, so in my another personal number where I have the Telegram, so let me go and check. Okay, let me go and check. So let me open this. So you can see this video. Okay. So this is the profile video which has been set. Okay. So nice to see. Very good. Excellent feature. Thank you friends. Hope you understood how to set profile video in Telegram. Thank you. Try. Excellent feature. Thank you.